For years, electric cars were all about range, charging speed, and flashy tech, but something was missing at the top end. Where were the truly luxurious, spacious EVs, the ones that felt like real flagships, not just tech showcases? That's finally changing. The premium EV market is now delivering big, high-performance sedans and SUVs that rival the best gasoline flagships. 2026 is a turning point, with a wave of large, luxurious EVs arriving, vehicles that use their size for massive batteries, long range, and serious power. These cars blend silent electric performance with opulence, space, and next-level tech. Today, we're diving into the most exciting luxury large-size electric cars to watch in 2026. We'll break down the specs, design, and what makes each a potential game-changer. Let's get started. At the summit of electric luxury sits the Rolls-Royce Spectre. This isn't just an EV, it's a Rolls-Royce first, electric second. The focus, absolute serenity. Inside, handcrafted luxury meets subtle tech, with the iconic Starlight headliner now extending to the doors. Electrification enhances the Rolls-Royce experience. More silence, more comfort, more effortless power. The Spectre proves the future of luxury is silent, smooth, and spectacular. Now, let's talk about the Mercedes EQS, the tech-forward luxury sedan that's all about range and innovation. The 2026 EQS boasts a 107.8 kWh battery and a record-shattering 453 miles of range. That's LA to San Francisco, no sweat. Range anxiety, gone. Opt for the AMG version, and you get 761 horsepower, supercar acceleration in a plush, silent cabin. The interior is dominated by the optional 56-inch hyperscreen, merging 3 displays into one seamless, futuristic dashboard. Mercedes' MBUX system is smart, intuitive, and learns your habits. The EQS's one-bow design is all about aerodynamic efficiency, helping it achieve that incredible range. For 2026, you can even get a classic grille with the standing star. Old school meets new school. Air suspension, massaging seats, and rear axle steering make it as comfortable and maneuverable as it is advanced. The EQS isn't just about numbers, it's about redefining what a flagship sedan can be. It's the choice for those who want maximum range, cutting-edge tech, and uncompromised comfort. Where the Spectre is timeless luxury, the EQS is futuristic, efficient, and fast. For tech lovers and long-distance drivers, it's the new gold standard. Mercedes has truly electrified the S-Class experience. BMW's answer to big electric luxury, the iX, a driver's SUV with a bold look and serious engineering. The 2026 iX offers up to 364 miles of range from a 105 kWh battery, but it's the rumored quad-motor M model that's turning heads. Imagine each wheel controlled independently for sports car agility in a full-size SUV. The interior is a modern lounge, open-pore wood, crystal controls, and a floating curved display running the latest iDrive. The new Panoramic Vision HUD projects info across the entire windshield, augmented reality for the road. The iX's design is polarizing, but it stands out and signals BMW's boldness in the EV era. It's not the most opulent or the longest range, but it's the most engaging to drive. For those who want space, tech, and true driving pleasure, the iX is the standout. BMW proves big EVs can still be fun behind the wheel. The iX is the driver's choice in the luxury electric SUV world. It's a glimpse of the future, dynamic, innovative, and unmistakably BMW. Lucid shook up the EV world, and the Air Dream Edition remains the benchmark for range and performance. The Dream Edition R delivers a staggering 520 miles of real-world range, more than any other production EV. Lucid's in-house tech means smarter, more efficient engineering. 113 kWh battery, compact motors, and minimal energy loss. Opt for the tri-motor setup and you get over 2,100 horsepower, hypercar power in a luxury sedan. The Air is both a long-distance cruiser and a rocket ship, all in one. Inside, it's all about space and light. A huge glass canopy, a clean, airy design, and a 34-inch 5K glass cockpit. The interface is advanced yet intuitive, with a retractable touchscreen for controls. The exterior is sleek, aerodynamic, and instantly recognizable. Lucid proves you don't have to choose between range and performance. The Air is the technological benchmark, efficient, powerful, and spacious. For those who want the best numbers in a true luxury experience, it's in a class of its own. Lucid's relentless focus on engineering sets a new standard. The Air Dream Edition is the car to beat in 2026. It's the ultimate blend of innovation, luxury, and real-world usability. Lucid shows what's possible when you start with a clean slate. The Cadillac Escalade IQ reimagines America's luxury SUV icon for the electric era. It's bigger than ever, with a colossal 200-kilowatt battery and an estimated 450 miles of range, unmatched for a three-row SUV. Dual motors deliver sports car acceleration, while the interior is pure first class. A 55-inch curved LED display, executive seating, and a 40-speaker AKG audio system. The flat EV platform means cavernous space in all three rows, and a huge frunk up front. Four-wheel steering and arrival mode, think crab walk, make this giant surprisingly nimble. The Escalade IQ is a rolling showcase of GM's best tech, blending bold style, comfort, and practicality. It's for those who want everything: space, presence, luxury, and now, zero emissions. Cadillac's electric flagship is a confident statement for the future. The Escalade IQ updates a legend for a new generation. It's unapologetically big, bold, and luxurious, now with electric power. For families, executives, or anyone who wants to make an entrance, it's the ultimate American luxury EV. The Escalade IQ proves that big and green can go hand in hand. The future of American luxury is here, and it's electric. Jaguar is making a bold comeback in 2026 with a stunning all-electric four-door GT. Built on the new JEA platform, it promises dramatic proportions, minimalist lines, and aerodynamic efficiency. Targeting over 430 miles of range, it's set to rival the Mercedes EQS and Lucid Air. Expect a dual-motor setup with 575-plus horsepower and agile, responsive handling, true to Jaguar's performance DNA. The focus is on experience, beautiful materials, craftsmanship, and a driver-centric feel, not overwhelming screens. This GT is Jaguar's flagship for a new era: low volume, high luxury, and high ambition. It's a gamble, but if they nail it, it could be a true showstopper. Jaguar aims to blend classic British luxury with next-gen electric performance. It's a dark horse, but one of the most intriguing prospects for 2026. If executed right, it could be the perfect alternative to German and American rivals. Jaguar's electric GT is a statement, the brand's heritage, reinvented for the future.